Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do review of the Zoop by Titan round analog watch. White, stylish and durable for every occasion. This Zoop by Titan round analog watch white is the perfect combination of style, functionality and durability, making it an excellent choice for kids and young teens. It is designed by Titan, a brand with quality and innovation. This watch from the Zoop Watches collection is crafted to meet the active lifestyle of young users. The trendy design coupled with robust functionality, making it a must accessory. It has a stylish design with a classic touch. The white analog watch features a clean and minimalistic design that complements a variety of outfits, whether it's casual or semi-formal. The round dial adds a timeless appeal to the watch, making it a great choice to young wearers who want to express their individuality. The simplicity of this analog watch white design ensures it is easy to read, offers a user-friendly experience for kids and teens alike. It's a premium quality built by Titan. As a part of the renowned Titan Zoop range, this watch is built with premium material to ensure long-lasting durability. Titan's reputation for creating high-quality products shine through in the Zoop analog watch, which is designed to withstand daily wear and tear. The sturdy strap and secure clasps provide a comfortable fit, making it ideal for all-day wear. It's perfect for active kids also. This analog watch is also perfect for kids. The Titan Zoop Watches collection is especially tailored for young and energetic users. This Zoop by Titan, which is light in weight and durable, ensuring it can keep up with an active lifestyle. Whether it is worn to school during sport activities or at a casual outing, this watch is both stylish and practical, making it a versatile accessory. This Titan watch is versatile and trendy accessory. The white analog watch is not just a timepiece, it is a fashion statement. The sleek design and neutral color ensure it matches effortlessly with any of the outfit you wear, making it a great accessory for all the occasion. Whether it is Christmas, whether it is housewarming, or whether it is birthday party, or it is your friend's birthday party, or your kid's birthday party, or your kid's friend's birthday party. It is a great accessory for all occasion. The watch analog mechanism add a classic charm, while the Titan Zoop white analog watch reflect a modern aesthetic that resonates with today's youth. Why choose Zoop watches? Why you need to choose Zoop watches? Because of the reliability. Backed by the Titan brand, Zoop watches are known for their excellent quality and reliability. Second is durability. The robust design ensure the watch can handle everyday use. If you wear this watch, it is very good because of its durability. You can use it everyday use, whether you're at home or you're outside or wherever you are. It is ideal for kids. The style. The trendy design in the Titan Zoop watches collection ensures kids to look stylish while staying punctual. It is easy to use. The analog watch white design is simple and initiative, making it easy for kids to read and set the time. It makes very easy for the kids to read the time and also set the time. An affordable choice with unmatched quality. The Zoop analog watch is an affordable option for parents looking to buy both stylish, durable and high quality timepiece for their kid. As part of the Titan Zoop lineup, the watch offers exceptional value for money without compromising on aesthetic for performance. It can be a gift option also. If you want to give a gift for your kid, you can give this kid. It is the best gift. You can even give this gift for your birthday boy, birthday girl, or kids, your birthday kids and kids friends also. This is the great accessory to invest in, and will be the great gift you can give to a child. Why is a great choice? Due to its stylish design, durability and versatility, making it a thoughtful and practical gift that kids will love and they will cherish. So I like this when I bought it for my child. She is wearing it every day. So whenever she goes in the play area, she is wearing it. Wherever she is going outside for a walk, that time she is wearing it. She liked it. And this was white in color. It became pink in color because she was also wearing it while playing Holi. And while Holi, they throw colors, they play with water and all this. She was still wearing it, and that's why this color have changed it into a little pink. But still, it is very trendy and very fashionable to look. So, this Titan round analog watch white is more than a watch. It is not just a watch, it's more than a watch. It is a reflection of style, functionality and durability. With its sleek design, premium build quality and trusted Titan branding, it is an accessory that stand out in Zoop Watches collection. Whether it's for school, sports or casual outing, this watch is perfect for active child and teens who value style and reliability. So if you want to order this watch at the Titan Zoop Watch Analog, you can order it today. You can go get it on online website. Like I have ordered this on first try. So now when I checked it, after long time I'm doing review, so when I checked it, this was not available. But yes, this is available at Flipkart, and I think on Titan website also it will be available. I have not checked on Amazon whether this watch is there or not. So you might get this watch. So this is a Zoop by Titan round analog watch, and this is how it look. I like its style and the reliability and the durability of this product. So if you want to order, you can order it online, or you can see in online stores also, the locals. You can also see in the local store whether they have this Titan Zoop analog watch, and you can buy it from there also. This is a very nice watch. You can also give it for your child, or you can give it for your child friends also, as it make a great gift for your child friends too. So friends, if you like my video and you find my video helpful, please follow me, and please subscribe to my channel to see more such amazing video like this. Thank you friends for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye.